Bullish Dogelon Mars cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market examiners accept elon could reach $0 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Dogelon Mars presentation. Dogelon Mars is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers depict it as a fair general money for individuals and an interplanetary cash utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a digital money, yet additionally a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens. Amusingly, you can get them with Ethereum, despite the fact that this digital currency has an enormous and enthusiastic local area. There are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital currency guide will reveal all that you really want to be aware of Dogelon Mars and its elements. By the by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon is a blockchain-based environment used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading products, making installments, and compensating supporters. Dogelon Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021. Be that as it may, there's no data accessible about the symbolics maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper illustrating its main goal and targets. Nothing recognizes Dogelon Mars from other crypto tokens concerning utility. You can purchase, sell, and send it to crypto wallets, however that is valid for pretty much every advanced money. Nonetheless, the Dogelon Mars designers have done a couple of remarkable things. 1. Elon Group didn't do a presale or keep tokens themselves since they needed to make a fair cash. 2. The undertaking's underlying stockpile was 1 quadrillion elon tokens. 3. The designers repeated Shiba Inu's exposure stunt by sending half of those crypto tokens to Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin. Buterin gave roughly 43% of the elon tokens to the Methuselah establishment, a cause committed to expanding human lifespan. In May 2021, the establishment swore not to offer any of those tokens to propel elon's drawn-out incentive for essentially a year. Poloniex offers the elon USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing a name or an email address. The Dogelon Mars cryptographic money has circulated around the web via virtual entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of Dogelon Mars elon expanded in excess of multiple times and gave a gigantic return. The organization then, at that point, rose to the 150th situation concerning market capitalization. There was no token presale in light of the fact that it is a fair general digital money. Subsequent to sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the excess portion of the tokens are secured the Uniswap liquidity pool as elon and ETH matches, which will remain for eternity. They additionally put 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth around $100,000 at that point. Dogelon Blemishes Group then consumed the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from pulling out or gathering any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will just build over the long run. The Dogelon Mars Group exhibited that they wouldn't commit a floor covering pull, a crypto trick in which engineers siphon up the worth of their virtual cash, pull back however much they can, and dump the undertaking by consuming the liquidity supplier tokens. The Dogelon Mars pioneers cannot do so in light of the fact that they consumed the tokens they got for keeping assets into the task. Maybe that is the motivation behind why Dogelon Mars presents itself as a task pointed toward fixing the harm done by digital currency tricksters. Trick casualties are encouraged to give elon tokens to the Dogelon Mars people group. How does Dogelon Mars work? Dogelon Mars is an Ethereum blockchain put together ERC20 token accessible with respect to Uniswap, which can be traded for other digital currencies. Most of holders keep it in a blockchain wallet, and some will give tokens to survivors of digital money tricks to help the local area's central goal. Dogelon Mars will be extended, as per the group. In late 2021, a venture declaration expressed that crypto marking would be accessible soon by means of another $XELON administration token. Moreover, the designers are chipping away at an NFT assortment. Dogelon Mars is right now worth $0. elon has moved 0.17% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,689,542. Dogelon Mars is right now positioned 162 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $192,747,741 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Dogelon Mars to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Dogelon Mars market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The ELON cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ELON is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Dogelon Mars ELON cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ELON will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ELON's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ELON will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. ELON might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ELON is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0. 2025. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Dogelon Mars effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the ELON coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ELON will be green in 2026. The ELON is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ELON cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, ELON has a most extreme value worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that ELON figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help ELON needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029. While ELON is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0. 2029. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Dogelon Mars will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2030.